Hi, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today we are going to be making homemade tater tots. Yes! And if you want to learn how to make all kind of food homemade the easy, simple, and quick way, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll get notified. Let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is blend up some crackers. These are just Ritz crackers, probably about a half a pack. I didn't really count them out, but we're just going to blend them up so we'll have a nice crust for our tater tots. Yes, okay, they are all blended up and as you can see, they are just fine crumbs. So I didn't have to buy any, I just used the crackers I had. You can use Ritz, you can use saltine crackers, it doesn't matter. Just get you some crackers and blend them up. If you don't have a blender, crush them up. Okay then, now, see that? They're just cracker crumbs, yes. Okay, so now we are actually going to grate our potatoes. This is water. So they're going to be grated down into some cold water. You want to do that, you just take your potato and grate it on the larger side. The cold water will keep them from turning brown. So you want to make sure that the water that you're grating them in is cold water. Not warm or hot, but cold water. If you need a couple of ice cubes in your water, that'll be fine. So see, it's just grated potatoes into the cold water. So we're going to bang the rest of these out. And now we have them all done, all grated, and we're just going to drain them. You want to get as much water out as you can. So I have my strainer here. Now they're all strained. And now we're going to add into them some onion. And this is just some chopped up onion that I've added. If you don't like onion, you can simply leave it out. And I have some Parmesan cheese here that I'm going to add in as well. And also I'm adding in some parsley flakes. And this is just dried parsley. You can use fresh. Of course, we're going to add a little salt, so that'll bring out some of the flavor. And then the thing we're going to add next is going to be some garlic powder. I'm not adding onion powder today since I've added onions in there. Okay, guys. Now you want to get this mixed up, make sure it's mixed up really well so that all the ingredients will combine really good. Then we're going to add a beaten egg. And then you just want to beat it good, mix that in really well. Then we'll form our potatoes into little balls. And they don't have to be perfect balls because tater tots aren't perfect. And guys, if you have a hard time right here at this point, you can always add in maybe a fourth of a cup of flour. I don't tend to need that, but sometimes you might to help form the balls, and that's okay. Add in a little flour. So I'm going to just make these balls, and you don't want to squeeze them too tight, but you will have to add a little pressure to get them formed because the potatoes are in little pieces since we shredded them. And there you have it. Okay, I'm going to just get the rest of these formed, and then we get to fry them up, guys. Yes, woohoo! Okay. I've got probably about a dozen or so here to go. So let's just get these banged out. Yes, here they are, all formed into balls. And now, only thing we're going to do is go over here and get them fried up. My oil is good and hot on medium-high heat. And guys, I'm putting these in one at a time. I sat them in the freezer for about 5 minutes just so that they would get formed and they would hold their shape. So you want to freeze them before frying them. We're just going to put these in here and let them fry until they're golden brown. Yes, this is going to be yummy. I cannot wait to eat some of these. I'm going to probably fix me a burger to go with these. How about that, guys? Okay, so we're just going to fry these up and they look like they are golden brown. And then we're going to take them out. And because the potatoes were shredded, they don't need much time to cook. So I'm going to just put them all out here, and I'm doing them in batches. So now, after we get these all out and drained, we're done. Woohoo! And here they are, guys. Our tater tots. Yes, don't they look yummy? I cannot wait. Get me a little dipping sauce on the side and dig in. I love tater tots just as I love French fries. And guys, if you like these how-to videos, please consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as here. Also, guys, please Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll get notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys and can't wait to see you again.